Tired of the same old look this Christmas? Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine? Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine.
Hello everyone. Welcome to At Home with Lisa Christmas series. Welcome everyone. Thank you all so much for tuning in on this video today. So today, you guys, we are going to be revealing our main Christmas tree for the Christmas series season 2025. You guys, I am in love with this Christmas tree, the main Christmas tree, you guys. We decided to decorate with black and white. Those are the two main colors. And then we went in with accents of gold and silver. So we're using different bow patterns of black and white. And then we're adding bows, ornaments, picks, sprays. And y'all, let me tell you, the topper is a conversation piece in itself. I cannot wait to show you guys our elegant and chic Christmas tree for this Christmas series season 2025. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in my Christmas series. Now, this is not the end of it now. This is just the beginning, because Blessmas 2025 is coming up for December the 1st through December the 5th. So you guys make sure you tune in for that. I've already been posting the thumbnail so you can see, you know, the times that we're premiering, and Design with Emma along with Lifestyle Designs with Teresa is included with me on Blessmas. This is the second year for Blessmas, and we are blessed to be able to bring Blessmas to you again for the second year. So I am going to show you guys my outfit of this video. I'm loving it. I just pulled some pieces together and I thought it was a little cute. Then y'all see I'm showing a little shoulder here. But anyway, you guys are really not going to see me physically decorating the tree. I'm going to be showing you like increments of me creating the look, and then I'm going to show you guys the overall final look of the tree. And I hope you guys enjoy what I have created for this season. So if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Lisa. I am your host. And I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video today. And if this is the type of content that you like, I hope you are so kind enough as to click on that subscribe button and the notification bell as well. And by the time you reach the middle or the end of this video, I hope you like it enough to give it a big thumbs up and leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And if you're returning, y'all already know how I feel about you guys. I cannot do this without you all. So all I need you guys to do is to sit back and relax and enjoy as I show you guys my outfit of this video and our Christmas tree reveal. Again, thank you all so much. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope everyone had a thankful Thanksgiving. I'm sure we're all eating leftovers on today and just chilling in our pajamas. All right, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fire.
So this year, I decided not to go with the 12-foot tree. This year, I am using a 9-foot tree that I purchased from Yita Home on the TikTok shop. Now, this tree is a 9-foot artificial Christmas tree without the lights. It did not come with the lights. That's why I ended up paying like $94 for the tree. But I did purchase the twinkling lights from the Amazon store, so you can check that out in my Amazon storefront. I know y'all are probably saying, hey, you know, we see the cords or the wires going everywhere. Yes, you do. But once I start putting the decor on the tree, it's going to hide the cords. But I am going to try and stick them inside the tree as much as possible. So this year, I decided to start working on the topper first. So as you can see, I've already added my curled black and white picks in the tree. And so I wanted to go ahead and start my ribbon as well, just to see how the patterns were going to work together. So I continued to add my ribbon all the way down to the end of the tree, leaving just a little bit to hang off of the tree as well too. And as you can see, the picks are the black and white polka dot, as well as the ribbon that I have chosen to use as well too. It is that black and white polka dot. And all I did was to use the limbs from the tree to continue to add my ribbon onto it. So I just used the branches to tie around the ribbon to make the loops that you see. Tell y'all I was anxious about adding the decor on this tree. I was so anxious, you guys. And I also must say that this tree is really not a full tree, and the limbs were not very strong and sturdy. So I may be on the lookout for another 9-foot Christmas tree. But anyway, I have went ahead and added the handmade bows here, and also too I added the plaid bows up top as well too. Moving right along, you can see that I have added another pattern of the polka dot black and white ribbon, and I did like a crisscross design. You guys, these hand bows that I made, they are so big and fluffy, and what my goal was to hand make them in a size where it would fill up some of the holes that you see here in the tree. You guys, they don't make trees like they did from back in the day, the tree that we used growing up, you guys. Those trees, artificial trees, were so healthy and full you could not see to the other side. So y'all tree makers, y'all got to do better with these trees. Also too, I am still working on the topper for the tree. As you all can see, I did go ahead and add this beautiful black velvet bow that I picked up from Michael's. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and I thought it would be perfect for my tree than to use the handmade bows. So looky, here's the hint of the gold and the silver in the tree. And as you guys can see, I am filling the tree up with the ornaments, with the gift boxes, with the drums, with more black picks and pattern picks as well too. Y'all, I am loving this topper up here with the swirls and the gift boxes that are stacked. The tree is coming along beautifully, you guys. So don't click off. Y'all are going to want to see the final reveal of this tree. Alright, love bugs. So what I want to do here is I want to show you all a close-up of the tree. I want you to see close up everything that I added to the tree, from the handmade bows to the gift boxes, the small gold and silver ornaments, the black and white ornaments, the gold, black and white ornaments. Also, I added a hint of solid gold ornaments, solid white, and silver as well too. I actually used the disco style ornaments in the tree, and I actually think it goes really well with the twinkling lights. I also went ahead and added the black and white design skirt at the bottom, and I did pick up that skirt from the Amazon store, so you can check that out in my Amazon storefront. Now I also added some decor pieces around the bottom of the tree, like ornaments and so on and so forth. Now I also added the gold drums. I do wish I would have had more of the drums, but I just bought a set of, I think 2 or 3, but I wish I would have gotten 2 sets. But anyway, I think I did a really good job with trying to fill in a lot of the holes that the tree has. But with that being said, I'm probably going to be on the lookout for a healthier tree, or do a little bit of research on how to be able to fill up those holes a little bit better. But anyway, I love the tree. I love how it turned out. I love all the pieces that I decided to use here. And one would think if you're using all these different patterns, that's not gonna work. But you guys, everything is balancing off of each other, and everything is working together in this tree design, you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really wanted to use the black wooden tree skirt, which I do have it around the tree, but you can't see it. But I couldn't get it exactly the way I wanted it, so I just actually used it to house the black and white skirt that I decided to use. But the tree is absolutely stunning. It's elegant and it's chic in its own, and I am loving it for this Christmas series 2025. So you guys, you have seen the close-up of the tree. So now we're going to stand back a little bit, and we're going to see the whole entire tree in its entirety. And I want you guys to focus a little bit on the conversation piece, which is the tree topper. So please, if you enjoyed this video, if you like the way my Christmas tree turned out, please don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. Y'all take the sneak peek. Take the sneak peek, y'all. Looky. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and stand back and look at the full tree in its entirety. Have you guys put your Christmas tree up yet? If so, what are your color patterns? What did you decide to use in decorating your Christmas tree in this Christmas season?
Jingle bells ringing in my ear.
I want to thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I have enjoyed sharing my elegant and chic black and white styled Christmas tree with you guys for the Christmas series, Christmas season 2025. Again, if you like this video, if you like my tree, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And if this is your first time here, I hope you enjoyed the video enough whereas you would click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. At Home with Lisa Lisa is signing off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
We're chasing snowflakes as
Lisa, subscribe and come take this holiday journey with me. Oh, and by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.